Hi students, myself architect Neil Kolatkar, and I am going to tell you one of the very important questions which is asked in the NATA exam. So that is to identify the city from its skyline. So let's see the first example. So the question type will be that they are going to display the skyline of some famous city in the world, and they are going to ask you to identify that city from the skyline. So in the first example, the answer is Rome. So let's see some facts about Rome. So as you know, Rome is the capital city of Italy. Then secondly, modern Rome has 280 fountains and more than 900 churches. Rome has a museum which is dedicated entirely to pasta, which is one of the famous dishes which is served over there. St. Peter's Basilica inside Vatican City is the largest church ever constructed. So you can see the two buildings, the photographs of the two buildings. Now, the next example is of the city of Kuala Lumpur. So, let's see some facts about Kuala Lumpur. So, it is the capital of Malaysia. Its modern skyline is dominated by the 451 tall Petronas Twin Towers. The city is situated at the confluence of Gombak River, earlier the Lumpur River, and the Klang River. The Kuala Lumpur is 94 square miles in size. The two famous buildings are shown here, that is the Petronas Towers and the KL Tower. Now let's try to identify the next city. So the answer to this is Dubai. Now let's see some facts about Dubai. So as you must be aware that Dubai is home to the world's tallest building, that is Burj Khalifa. It has the largest shopping mall in the world. It has largest suspended aquarium, and it has the world's biggest picture frame, as you can see in this picture. So these two are very famous buildings which are located in Dubai. Next, let's try to identify this. So this is the city of London. Now let's see some facts about London. So London is the capital of England and the United Kingdom. It has the oldest underground railway network in the world. It was world's largest city from 1831 to 1925. It is one of the most diverse cities in the world, and lastly, it is one of the world's most greenest cities. So you can see that uh, the two most famous structures in London, that is Westminster Bridge and the London Eye. Now let's try to identify the next one. So this one is Berlin. So let's see some facts about Berlin. So this is the capital of Germany. It is 9 times bigger than Paris. Wow. It has the longest open air gallery in the world. It has more bridges than Venice, and it is considered to be a capital of dog lovers. So this is something which many of you may not be knowing. Now these are two of the famous structures in Berlin. One is Brandenburg Gate and second is Reichstag Dome. Now let's go to the next city. So this is Stockholm. So the facts about Stockholm: it is the capital of Sweden. It has world's first national city park. It has world's largest hemispherical building. It is known for clean natural drinking water, and it has a lot of cyclists, so which is very encouraging. Now these are two of the famous the structures in Stockholm, that is Nordic Museum and the City Hall. Then let's go to the next one. So this is Paris. So let's see some facts about Paris. So it is the capital of France, as all of you know. The Eiffel Tower was supposed to be a temporary installation, so intended to stand for 20 years after being built for the 1889 World Fair. Then the visitors to the Eiffel Tower have to climb 1665 steps to reach the top unless they take the elevator. There are at least three replicas of the Statue of Liberty in Paris. Now you can see the two structures here, that is Eiffel Tower and the Notre Dame Cathedral, which are located in Paris. Then let's go to the next one. So this is St. Petersburg. Now let's see some facts about St. Petersburg. So it is a Russian port city, say located on the Baltic Sea. It's called as world's cultural capital. There are over 300 bridges in St. Petersburg. It used to be called as Leningrad. It has the deepest underground metro system in the world, which is very interesting. So these are two of the famous say buildings which are just shown here, which are located in St. Petersburg. Now let's go to the next one. This is pretty easy to identify. This is none other than New York. So let's see some facts about New York. So it has more than 800 languages that are spoken in the city. New York City is famous for its pizza, which is very interesting. Times Square is named after the New York Times, which is a famous newspaper. The Empire State Building gets hit by lightning around 23 times in a year. Wow. The city covers a total area of 790 square kilometers. So you can see the two famous structures which are there in New York. One is the World Trade Center Transportation Hub and the Statue of Unity. Now let's go to the next city. It is Chicago. So let's see some facts about Chicago. The world's first skyscraper, the Home Insurance Company, was built in 1885 in this city. The term jazz originated in Chicago in 1914. Chicago is home to one of the biggest outdoor food festivals in the world. There are 56 museums in the Windy City. So you can see these two famous buildings, which is the Willis Towers and the Carbon and Carbide building. Now let's go to the next one. This city is none other than Barcelona. So let's see some facts about Barcelona. First, it is located in Spain. Then Antoni Gaudi is considered one of the greatest architects who vastly influenced buildings in this city. It has most walked street in Spain. It is the second largest city in Spain, and the Sagrada Familia has taken longer to build than the Greater Pyramids. So you can see here that is Sagrada Familia Church and this Casa Milla. So these are designed by Antoni Gaudi. Now let's go to the next city. So this is Prague. So let's see some facts about Prague. So it is the capital of Czech Republic. Gothic architecture is visible in many old buildings here. It is widely considered to be one of the most beautiful cities in Europe. It has been included in the UNESCO list of World Heritage Sites, and the Prague Castle is the largest ancient castle in the world. So you can see the two buildings which are famous there. First is the Dancing Building and second is the Municipal House of Prague. Now let's go to the next one. This is also pretty easy to identify. So this is Sydney. So as you know that Sydney is located in Australia. The population of Sydney is just over 5 million. World famous landmark, which is the Sydney Harbour Bridge, is nicknamed as the Coat Hanger. So it is the tallest steel arch bridge and the widest long span bridge in the world. The Blue Mountains that borders Sydney's metropolitan area became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2000. Other than English, Chinese and Arabic are very popular language which are spoken in Sydney. So you can see two famous structures, which is Sydney Opera House and the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Now the next one. This is Johannesburg. So let's see some facts about Johannesburg. It is located in South Africa. So it is the most powerful commercial center of the African continent. The Greater Johannesburg metropolis covers an area of 2,300 square kilometers, making it larger than Sydney, London or New York and similar in size to Los Angeles. It is called the City of Gold. It's home to the world's largest man-made forest. Now let's go to the next city. This is Toronto. So this is the capital of the province of Ontario, well known for a famous building named CN Tower, one of the most multicultural city in the world. It is known as the cultural capital of Canada, and 18.1% of the city's total area is parkland. That is something significant. Now you can see two famous buildings which are in Toronto, which is CN Tower and the Royal Ontario Museum. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned a lot about how to identify the city skylines and the facts about those cities. So if you like the video, so you can hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Architects Academy, and follow us on our Instagram page, which is Architects Academy 5. Keep watching further videos. Thank you.